We are happy to announce that now our valued Gold Plan subscribers can harness the full potential of complex parametric models within our cutting-edge scripting environments. Let's take a moment to explore the possibilities with our Rete editor. Imagine crafting your very own architectural masterpiece effortlessly. In this dynamic Rete editor, we've placed two Zen Hideout components, allowing you to design a parametric model of two elegant buildings, embracing a tranquil courtyard with a majestic tree at its heart. But that's just the beginning. With our intuitive parametric script in the Rete editor, you gain the power to bring your architectural visions to life. Want to add another building? Simply do it by adding a new component from our architecture category. Need faster computations and rendering? Adjust the resolution with ease. You have the freedom to relocate buildings, tweak dimensions, play with window sizes, refine structural qualities, experiment with roof angles, and fine-tune countless other crucial details. The beauty of our parametric editor lies in its versatility. Create multiple variations of your models, all within the same immersive 3D space. With the Gold Plan, you're not just designing buildings, you're sculpting works of art, exploring endless possibilities, and letting your creativity soar. Upgrade to the Gold Plan today and experience the effortless artistry of parametric design.